guys, my name is Anamika. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'll be sharing you how to make a quiz on PowerPoint without any other software's help. So for that, what you'll be needing is, what you're going to do first is, you hope your layout of the sheet is blank. If it's not, go to the option of layout and then you can select blank if it is showing the title slide. So I'm going to make it the blank one, and then you're going to select shapes. All those kind of stuff you can do it by yourself. You're designing with your designing ideas, but this I'm just going to do this in a simple way. You can style it by yourself and all that. I'm going to choose this color. You can choose your own color. I'm not telling you choose this color only. And then what you do is you have to go to the insert option and add text. When you go here, there's an option called insert on top of the colors. So I have chosen this color. On top of that, you can see there are some text: home, insert, file, design, transitions, animations, slideshow, and everything. So in that insert option, and you have a text box in the 4th, 5th section. So when you press that, you will give a line with a small hyphen kind of thing on that, and then when you press that, you make it a square. It'll still be a small text. Then you can edit it with your options. So I'm going to write quiz, not anymore, just quiz number 1, and now I'm going to select it. Change its text. You can change it into your favorite. I'm changing this, and then I'm making its text very big. Making it 96 because that's the biggest. You can see how it looks. It looks like this. Yeah. Now, what we do is, you can change the color. I'm not going to change the color. I'm just explaining. You do it with your own style. Yeah. So, I'm not going to change the colors, which is not, which makes it look good. I'm just going to share it with you. Yeah. Now we're going to go to the next slide. For adding new slide, you just press the new slide option and choose how it's going to look. I made it the blank one as similar. And then you're going to select the blunt square. Blunt square is the one that will look more better. I'm giving you a idea. And now on that, you can write question number 1 or anything, whatever your question is. I'm just going to write question number 1. And now I'm going to bring it to the middle. So this is what you do to make it perfect in size. Hope I'm not taking out. Now what we do is, now we are going to again add a 4 options. You can do it if you want to. You can just write it as text also. But if you want, you can add. But how you're going to add is, you're going to make it a square like this. Make it thin from here. And now you're going to make Control D and make it duplicates of it. I'm going to make 3 of them more. You can make 2 questions, 1 left, or 3 or 4, or anyhow, many you want. It's your wish. Now, This is what you do. And then you again go to the insert option, add the text box. I'm adding the text box. It'll always show an option of adding it without the text inserting also, but I'm doing this. And now in that I'm going to write right answer. Wrong answer, because it'll have one correct answer and 3 wrong answers. I'm going to do it like this and copy that wrong answer and make it the color. I'm going to make it white fast. Now I'm going to make duplicates of them. I'm going to put Control C for here. Control C. Now Control V, Control V, Control V. You can see. I think I'm just going to show one slide. You can add how many ever you want in your own editing style. Okay, so I'm just going to move this here. I'm sorry, I mean this. It's better to use the edit insert text idea, because that will help you in more of when you use that, it will be easier. If you want to move it to some sites, you just need to move it from there. But if you're using the other one that automatically comes when you use the shape, it won't be that proper. You can see I've added wrong answer, correct answer, right answer and all. Now you can see I'm moving it and making it perfect. And now is the important part. But before that, I'm going to again add a duplicate of this. Move it here. Change the text. For the text, you'll be telling, oops. Wrong answer. Editing it here. And then again making an insert. And then in that you will be writing try again. Here. And now I'm going to add another option in which I'm going to tell in that exit. No, I'm going to tell exit. You can even tell that solution only by using you can tell only new solution by adding another slide, and I'll tell you how to link it. Now you can see. Now you're going to add another slide of this, but changing this. Congratulations. Right answer here. Done. Now we're going to do try again. We're going to remove that or you can remove that and tell next question. You can make it straight, and now you can see I've edited it like this. Now you can see it's like this. Now it's good enough. You can add more or anything. I'm going to add Control D of this and just keep it like this, so that I'm going to show you how I'm going to even show next question. So now I'm going to show you the linking work. So now you can see quiz 1. I forgot to add one thing. Sorry. Now we're going to add a small box here and write start. So it's going to be like when you press the start option, it's going to be, when you press that, you're going to go to the next page. So for that, what we're going to do is first, please crop it up, or else when you add something else, no, it won't be easy to move it if you add any icons and all in this side. You can make questions with photos also. So now what you can do, now you're going to select start and press right click on the keypad, and you can see there's an option called hyperlink. I'll just be sharing the hyperlink thing. So when you press hyperlink, it will be there when sorry, one second. And it will be there when you put right click, or when you double right and left click. When you press right click also it will come. When you right click hyperlink, when you press it, there's an option called existing file or web page. But before that, we'll be going into the place in this document. In that, you can see this. So when you press one button to go to the next page, linking work is here. It's very simple. So now what you need to do over here is you're going to press slide to exit, and then you'll be pressing existing file or web page. Press the bookmark option. Then they'll again ask you press slide to. It will be in the way of you going to the page you want to. And then it will become into the other color which you don't want. So that you can change. It's not a problem. Like this. Okay. Now you go to the next page. And now we're going to make the right. We're going to do the right answer. The right answer, you're going to go to the right click, hyperlink, place in this document, whichever page you want it to be. I'm just going to show it here. And I have added oops, wrong answer as the third slide. And congratulations, right answer as the fourth slide. Remember the slides so that it will be easy for you to do. Now I'm doing the wrong answer one. They'll show the picture here. If it's wrong, you can select the other slide, not a problem, but still, if you want it to be faster. Same thing, repeat it here. You can, if you have put an border to the make a box and put it like I've not put for the start option, and you do it, it won't show the lining and all, because I didn't put a box on start option. It's showing. So now all this is done, but when we come to the oops, wrong answer, linking. So that you're going to press try again. right click, hyperlink to the sheet you have added it to. Now I'm going to add this to the first slide. But whenever you're doing it, do it with a slideshow. It will work that time. I'll be telling it to you the properly. When it shows exit, what you do is you're going to add another slide for that. I'm going to show it to you now. See this double congratulations and congratulations 2 slides. I'm going to make 3 of them. And then the third one is going to be, I'm going to make it thank you for playing. And I'm going to remove this, delete. So something like this. Here and done. That's going to be the last page. Now, before that, we're going to go to the before congratulations page. And because it says next question, I've added one like that. So I'm going to show you what you're going to do for that. I'm not going to do anything over there. I'm just going to add like next question only. I'm going to just write something. Blah, blah, blah. Just that. And now we're going to do the last linking work. This is linked. Now we're going to link the exit. Exit thing, you're going to press hyperlink. Place in the document. 6th page. Bookmark. 6th slide. Okay. Done. Now we're going to go to the other congratulations page. Next question we're going to press. We're going to make it the 5th slide, which is the next question, but I've not added anything. But now you can see the question is made this. So I'm going to make it white so that it doesn't look weird. I'm going to make next also underlined. But that is not linked. Only sometimes one word will link. So it's not linked. Now it's time to link the exit. Now I'm going to do the whole thing and show you my last product. You can pause the video and do it here also. I'm going to pause this video for now. Now you can see all is ready. My proper English is gone. So now we're going to go to the slideshow and I'm going to share you how it looks from beginning. This is the slide and now when I press start, it works. But you will be thinking when you press anywhere, it will go to the next slide. What is she doing? But when you press start, you can see. Sorry, one second. Here I press start. You can see this the question number 1. Right answer, wrong answer, wrong answer, wrong answer. So right answer, if I press, it's the next to next slide. So let's see, does it work or not? It does work. Now when you press next question, this comes. But you can add the other words here. I'm not added. And so this is the video for today. Hope you like the video. Thank you.